जवाब देने से पहले इसके जवाब पर गौर करें।
Considered her answer before replying. Considered her answer before replying.
डी और भी बड़ा हो गया।
The D grew even larger. The D grew even larger.
इसके अंदर उम्मीद जगमगा उठी।
Hope swelled within him. Hope swelled within him.
बाहर निकलने के तरीके तलाश करें।
Look around for ways to break out. Look around for ways to break out.
चौंक कर इसका मुंह खिला का खिला रह गया।
His mouth fell open in stunned shock. His mouth fell open in stunned shock.
तो आगे बढ़ें और अपने इम्तिहानात लिखें।
So go on and write your exams. So go on and write your exams.
अपनी कुर्सी से उठ जाओ।
Get off your chair. Get off your chair.
आपका दिमाग खराब है।
You are out of your mind. You are out of your mind.
मैं इससे ज्यादा जानता हूँ जो तुम जानते हो।
I know more than what you know. I know more than what you know.
इसके बाद उसको गुस्सा आने लगा।
He then felt angry at the obtrusion. He then felt angry at the obtrusion.